हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स के टॉप एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द बेसिक्स आर्किटेक्चर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स वाज डेवलप्ड बाय। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए, जॉन वॉन न्यूमैन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following memory is non-volatile? Right answer is option C, ROM. Next question, which of the following types of memory is volatile in nature? Right answer is options A, RAM. Next question, in how many generations a computer can be classified? Right answer is option C, 5. Next question, the basic operations performed by a computer are. Right answer is options D, all of above. Next question, the two major types of computer chips are. Right answer is options D, both B and C part. Next question, storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on. Right answer is options D, all of above. Next question, the two kinds of main memory are. Right answer is option C, ROM and RAM. Next question, the personal computers industry was started by. Right answer is options A, IBM. Next question, who suggested stored programs concept? Right answer is option C, John Newman. Next question, which is a semiconductor's memory? Right answer is options D, both A and B part, dynamics and statics. Next question, a 32 bits microprocessor has the word's length equal to. Right answer is option C, 4 byte. Next question, an errors in computer's data is called. Right answer is options B, bug. Next question, after copying the contents, how many times can you paste? Right answer is options D, many. Next question, the first computer networks is dash. Right answer is option C, ARPANET. Next question, how many data can be stored in a CD? Right answer is options D, 700 MB. Next question, dash has the shortest access times. Right answer is options A, cache memory. Next question, internals HDD of computer systems is dash. Right answer is options A, fixed. Next question, the length of IP address is dash. Right answer is options B, 32 bits. Next question, MAC stands for dash. Right answer is options A, media access control. Next question, the length of MAC's address is dash. Right answer is options B, 48 bits. Next question, physical arrangements of computers networks is called dash. Right answer is options A, topology. Next question, keyboard is the examples of dash device. Right answer is options A, input. Next question, monitors is the examples of dash device. Right answer is options B, output. Next question, how many function keys on keyboard? Right answer is option C, 12. Next question, RAM and ROMs is the examples of dash device. Right answer is option C, storage. Next question, VDU stands for dash. Right answer is options A, Visuals Display Unit. Next question. The printed output from a computer is called dash. Right answer is option C, hard copy. Next question. What is the speeds of computers measured in? Right answer is option C, gigahertz. Next question. What is the full form of PNG? Right answer is option D, Portables Networks Graphic. Next question. Computers monitors is also known as. Right answer is option C, VDU. Next question. Which one of these stores more data than our DVD? Right answer is option C, Blu-ray disc. Next question. The printed output from a computer is called. Right answer is option C, hard copy. Next question. HTML is used to create. Right answer is option C, web page. Next question. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Right answer is option D, Windows. Next question. Internet Explorer falls under. Right answer is option C, browser. Next question. Dot matrix is a types of. Right answer is option B, printer. Next question. Where does a computer adds and compares data? Right answer is option C, CPU chip. Next question. Which is a secondary memory device? Right answer is option C, floppy disk. Next question. Which part of the disk should never be touched? Right answer is option C, oval slot. Next question. A floppy disk contain. Right answer is option C, both circular tracks and sector. Next question. Large computer systems typical uses. Right answer is options A, line printer. Next question. The heart of any computers is the. Right answer is options A, CPU. Thank you.